Hip hip hooray! All right, folks, here we are. It's surgery day. It's 4:47. We got to be at the hospital at 5:30. I'm nervous. I don't want to go, and now my stomach hurts. And normally when I'm nervous, I have to pee all the time. I guess I should not have those spicy chicken strips from Costco. They were good. I had 6 of them, and now my stomach hurts. I can't have a BM now. It's too late. I hope I don't have it during surgery. Is that possible? I'm going to be numb down there. I guess I'll find out. Oh, man. I don't want to go. So here we are, leaving the neighborhood, heading to the hospital. How festive. We're nervous wreck. Got a little bit of a BM to come out. Everything else is just hanging out, waiting to come out. Hopefully it's not during the surgery. That would be horrible. Probably get smacked, kicked, or something left inside me. The closer I get to the hospital, the worse it's getting. Hot mess, hot mess. Here I am. I'm going in. No IV yet. We're stepped. We're dressed. Pre-op. We are down 2 minutes. 7 minutes before they take me back. I left my tooth at home. Yes, I am nervous. I'm so scared. People are walking by. It's crazy how the workers are just, it's nothing to them because it's their job. I got this thing in my arm and it's freaking me out. I'm shaking. I'm cold. And I'm scared. I'm nervous as hell. Nervous. It's pretty crazy that this surgery is going to take 1 hour or less, he said. Turn and burn, baby. Turn and burn. They have 30 surgeries scheduled for today.
You will be missed.
Gotta go. So I am in the recovery room. It's freezing. I'm freezing. The front of my hip hurts so bad. Lindsay came back to hang out with me. You know how you go to that post-op surgery room? I was with 5 people, and one guy had his shoulder surgery, or shoulder replaced, and he had a case of the coughs. Hope he's okay. But yeah, it's cold. Here's my room. Can't feel nothing from my waist down except for that pain. I tell you what, I can't move my legs. I can shimmy them left and right, but I can't like do anything else. This is brutal. So they got me up to go to the bathroom. Couldn't go to the bathroom. Everything's still numb in that area. And they made me walk to this chair. I got a nice view, but it's so bright in here. That tooth looks silly, bro. That was my best tooth. It was the straightest tooth. Well, I shouldn't say it looks silly. There's nothing there. Anyway, the incision hurts. They gave me 2 Oxycontin, and it was an 8. Let's say it's a 4. Anytime I move, it hurts. So I don't know. It just sucks. But
It's like a cruise ship TV.